Hello, in front of me I've got the altars. In this video I'll show you how to gather organic matter. To gather organic matter, firstly find your outpost. Now approach it and work on the outpost. Be careful on radiation, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.